Hey everybody, Kris Gethin here, and today I'm going to tell you how I take my pre-intra-post stack with two of our popular proteins here. So if I wake up and I'm going to train first thing in the morning, what I like to do, as soon as I get up, I'll have the MicroPure whey protein isolate with some oats. They're very fast digesting and easy to digest proteins and carbohydrates that get absorbed into my system relatively fast. Then, about an hour after that, I'll have my pre-caged, and that will be about 40 minutes before my actual workout. Once I get to the gym, I'll have my in-caged, and I'll drink that throughout the entirety of my workout to ensure that I do finish as strong as I've begun. And then immediately after my workout is when I will take my re-caged, okay? And then just before bed, to ensure that I stay in an anti-catabolic state while I sleep, is when I will take my serving of casein, and I'll generally have that in like a bowl, and I'll mix it like a pudding because it'll curve my cravings at the same time, as well as give me a steady response of protein throughout the night.